The name In Between House draws from its very form. A composition of 4 cuboid volumes arranged with deliberate gaps in between. These interstitial spaces are where landscape is invited in. Pockets of greenery, planters, and water features that soften the geometry and activate the voids. It is in these in-between spaces that daylight pours in, casting shifting patterns across interior surfaces and creating conditions for planting to thrive. These voids not only connect the masses visually and experientially, but also serve as spatial buffers, providing a sense of privacy from adjacent neighbors while still drawing in light and ventilation deep into the home. Woven into this spatial framework, the garden takes on many forms, threading through and around the architecture to create immersive experiences that blur the boundaries between the built and the organic. At the front, a tree pierces through the roof of the carport, setting the tone for a house where nature and structure coexist in close dialogue. Just beyond the main door, another tree punctures the interior floor plate, rising in quiet composition beside a custom altar, marking the threshold as both a spatial and spiritual passage.